We'll be looking at the scientific definition of base. Good day, our distinguished director, honorable proprietor, and unquantifiable teachers and fellow learners of RAS. We are the global sunrise of RAS. We are here to make a presentation on acid and bases. Listen and learn. I am Dr. Brandon Lara, aka Chibeku. Acid and substances which can turn blue litmus paper red. They contain hydrogen. The reaction is still going on. White bases are substances which can turn red litmus paper blue. There are chemical reactions that can react with acid to form salt and water. Type of acid. There are two main types of acid, which are the organic acid and inorganic acid. Organic acid. This is the type of acid that occurs naturally. They are mostly found in plants and animals. Most natural acids are found in food and food to eat. Example: lactic acid found in milk. Citric acid found in citrus fruits like orange, lemon, and grape. Acetic acid found in vinegar. They are also called natural acids. Just as my learned colleague just said, there are two types of acid: the inorganic acid and the organic acid. She has explained the organic acid. I am going to be explaining the inorganic acid. What are inorganic acids? Inorganic acids are acids that are made by man in the laboratory. Examples are hydrochloric acid, thiazolidinic acid, tetraoxosulfatic acid, etc. They are also called synthetic acid. The hydrochloric acid is found in the human soil. I am Dr. Edna Jones. The physical properties of acid are: 1. We don't believe it will be red. 2. What salt is like? 3. Because the different acids are corrosive or can burn up. 4. They utilize base to form salt and water. 5. Concentrated acids can react with plastics and metals. Etc. I am Dr. Augustine Sola. The uses of acids: 1. They are used in the laboratory to produce other chemicals. 2. They are used in producing paints, fertilizers, and drugs. 3. They are used in the production of gas. 4. They are used in the production of salt and water. 5. They are used in producing car batteries. 6. They are used in producing drugs. I am Dr. Ella Gabriel. I am here to talk about the types of base. There are two types of base, which are soluble base and insoluble base. Soluble base, these are bases that can dissolve in water. They are also known as alkalis. Examples are potassium hydroxide, also called caustic potash. Sodium hydroxide, also called caustic soda. 2. Insoluble bases. These are bases that can dissolve in water. That means they cannot dissolve in water. They are also called copper-2 oxide and zinc oxide. I am Dr. Prudence Emmanuel. I'm talking about the physical properties of base. 1. The physical properties of base are: they turn red litmus paper blue. 2. They have a bitter taste. 3. They have a soft and slippery feeling when rubbed between the fingers. 4. Concentrated bases are corrosive. That is, they can burn up. 5. They neutralize acid. That is, they react with acid to form salt and water. I am Dr. James Elenu, aka Ellie. Uses of base: 1. They are used for the production of food. 2. They are used for you.